Hello friends, my name is Himanshu and welcome back. In this video we are going to learn about few security tips, and that is something related to workbook first. On the hierarchy level, workbook is the first level, then comes worksheet and then its ranges. So first we are going to learn how we can protect a workbook. Here one thing needed to be understand, that is when you are going to protect a workbook, then this doesn't mean that workbook means that particular file can't be deleted, or if the workbook is protected you can't type anything in the sheet. You can. So what's going to be protected? When you are protecting a workbook, that's going to be protected on the structure level. This means on the structure level you will not be able to make any changes. For example, right now I'm creating a new sheet, you will not be able to do that. Or you can delete this particular sheet, rename it, hide it. There are plenty of things you can do with the property of that sheet. You will not be able to do that as well. So how to protect a workbook? You need to go to review, and there is this option of protect workbook. You need to click in this option, and by default structure is already checked. That is correct, and you need to give the password. Give a password and always remember the password, otherwise no one is going to help you. Okay, and then again re-enter the password. Done. Workbook has been protected. Now, as I've told you that if I will try to write something on the sheet, it's possible, it's very much possible. It's not going to protect this. However, if I want to create a new sheet, it's not possible, even though I've made a click here, so it's not creating. Also, right click, and if I want to do anything related to the property of the sheets, like delete, rename, insert, hide, I will not be able to do that because those are in inactive mode. So this is what protect workbook do. Let me demonstrate to you one of the benefits of it. So I'm going to remove this protect workbook, give the password, and that is how you need to do that. Click on protect workbook once again. This particular option will come, and click on OK. Now let's say I want to hide this EMI sheet. So right click and hide it. But this is very easy to unhide also. If some other user are sitting in your system, and if you right click and unhide, then this sheet is visible. Click on OK, so it will be unhide. But if I want to hide it, and the person who is sitting in this system, I don't want that person to be able to see that sheet under any condition, so I'm going to protect the workbook. I have clicked on protect workbook and I have given the password. Re-enter the password, and now because the workbook is protected, if the person will do a right click, he will not get the option to unhide, so the particular sheet will remain hide. Now I am unprotecting this particular workbook. Click over protect workbook once again, give the password and right click. Now we have got the option of unhide. So this is how you need to apply protect workbook. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.